Hello and welcome back to another video of Python file and folder operation. In this video, we will see how to get file detail in Python using Python OS library. So first thing we will see how to get file creation date using Python OS, how to get file modification dates using Python OS, how to get file size in Python OS. So let's start. So on your screen, you can see I have imported Python OS and then I have imported date time to convert the file timestamp into date and time. As a first thing, what we will do is we will get the file creation date using Python OS. And in Python OS, to get file creation date, the function is get ctime, creation time. I will run this and see. So you can see the date is coming in a timestamp manner. Now to convert this creation date timestamp into date or this numerical time into date time, what we have to do is we have to use format timestamp function, date time format timestamp function. Here it is, format timestamp, and then we have passed our creation time. Let's run and see the result. You can see the result is in date and time. Now to get the modification date and size, what we can do is here is the code on your screen to get modification time and to get file size by Python OS library. In Python OS, we use n time to get the modification date time, and in Python OS we get size function to get file size. Alright, please hit the like button to support my channel. Subscribe to the channel for more and more videos on Python and share your feedback in comments. Thank you.